Mark, and I am still the clueless luthier, in case there was any doubt. Today we're going to start working on the top. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put the rosette in. I've decided to go ahead and do the StewMac way. I've seen a couple. One of them is actually to use super glue or AC glue. The StewMac instructions use wood glue, and that's what we're going to do. But first, we're going to use shellac to seal the wood. I doubt if this particular rosette is going to bleed, but some can bleed into the wood, especially light colored wood like this. So first we're going to put some shellac on. So I'll do that now. All right, I am just going to, I don't know if you can see, one of these little brushes, flux brush. And I'm going to simply put a layer of shellac in here. Probably blocking it with a can, I don't know. Let's see. And the idea is that if there's any chemicals in this rosette that can bleed into the board, especially since it's light colored, this just put a sealer on there to prevent it, so it doesn't discolor the wood. I believe this is a technique I first saw on the driftwood site. Oh, I'm sure that's where I first saw it, actually, now I think about it. That's where most of the videos I've watched are located. This is going to sand off, so you don't have to worry about it. All right, I think I got, yeah. That's, oh, there's a spot. Okay, so I have that all covered, and now we just wait for it to dry. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get some glue in here. Try not to get too crazy with it. It's not going to take a lot. Getting in these little ones, I think it's going to be a challenge. I have to do most of that with a brush. I said it probably won't take much. Let's see. Frankly, next time I do this, I'm going to use the super glue method. Simply put the rosette in dry and then use number 10 AC glue because it's thin enough to go down and seal it. I think it would just work much better. I already cut this to length. What I did is I put an angle here. Kind of see the mark. Well, I can't now because of the glue. But so that when it comes around here, this is cut at an angle. I just use my chisel to do it. Okay. I want to make sure that gets all the way in there. That's pretty good. It seems like a problem spot. I think that wood's a little loose. Patch that if I have to. Okay, next. I already did this too. Getting ahead. You can have a gap here because it's going to be covered by the neck. I didn't leave a big gap, but it's there, I think. Yeah, I might have to cut more. I am. So basically, okay. Okay, feels pretty much, that all feels pretty good. Let me get, wipe off the squeeze out I can. Then, that's not big enough. Some more wax paper. Put this on the other side. Wax paper, keep from sticking. Then, easy if I pull this off the edge a little bit. Yeah. There we go. Those clamp down really nice and tight. That feels good. Okay. And we'll let that glue dry up and go on to the next step. Okay, I've unclamped the rosette. It's dried. And now we're going to scrape it. So I have a scraper, and what we want to do, according to the instructions, and I think I can do this one-handed because I want to hold it with this one, is I'm going to follow rosette, and what we want to do is bring it down so it's level with the wood. And as they describe that, so you're just starting to take a little bit of wood fiber. I'm going to take this really slow. That's pretty close. All right, I'm happy with the way it turned out. Looks nice and level. I can't feel, I'm using mostly a sense of touch to see if I've got it, but yeah, I don't really feel any high spots. But I think we're good to go for the next step. Thanks for stopping by.